everyone, so today we're going to be learning how to make a no-sew face mask. So what you're going to need is a bandana and 2 rubber bands. So you're going to take your bandana and you are going to fold it into 4s horizontally. After you're done folding your bandana into 4s, you are going to take your 2 hair ties and you are going to put it on either side. After you're done putting your hair ties on either side, you are going to take the 2 sides and you're going to tuck one side into the other. After you're tucking the one side into the other, you are done, and it is as simple as that. You have your face mask and this is how it looks like on. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a share, and I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe during this whole pandemic. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, bye.